To apply for a specific credit card, the process is straightforward and quick. Firstly, it's essential to be a member of a particular premium service, as this credit card is exclusively available to these members. To become a member, one must purchase a subscription to this service. By opening the relevant app, individuals will see a similar screen, where they can click on the option to buy the subscription and then follow the on-screen instructions. After reviewing the terms, they can join the premium service and will subsequently be put on a waitlist for the credit card. Once selected, the individual will see an updated interface on their app, where they can click on the Get Your Card button and continue through the process. This involves agreeing to the terms and conditions, which will then display the credit limit of the card. A $50 annual fee will be automatically charged to the new card, although the brokerage account will be credited for any unused days of the monthly plan. After confirming these details, the card's expected arrival date will be displayed. Once received, the card can be activated by downloading the relevant app, logging into the account, and clicking on the Activate Card option, allowing the card to be used immediately.